Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making buttermilk biscuits. For our ingredients, we have 2.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 stick of butter equals 1/2 cup of butter. You want to freeze your stick of butter. You want to chill your buttermilk. Once you have measured it out, you can grate your butter or cut it into little pieces. You want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Once you have finished tossing your butter into your flour, using a pastry blender, you want to cut your butter into your flour until a coarse meal is formed. You want to add the buttermilk just until the ingredients are blended. If the dough feels dry, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons additional of buttermilk. You want to place the dough on a lightly floured surface and pat it down about 1/2 inch thickness and fold in half and pat to 1/2 inch again. Repeat the fold and pat down step 4 times. You want to roll with a rolling pin and pat down with your hands until about 1/2 inch thick. You want to cut with a biscuit cutter using a straight down and up motion. Do not twist. Place your biscuits on a baking sheet. Your baking sheet can be buttered or with parchment paper. You want to bake at 450 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes or until lightly brown. You want to brush your buttermilk biscuits with butter if you desire. Here are our buttermilk biscuits. They are fluffy and buttery. We have made buttermilk biscuits. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.